Alright, Foresters, I'm here to show you how easy it is to make a compost pile. We're building this one inside the chicken pen because eventually I'm going to build a quail coop over top of it to keep the quail, and their fecal matter will go right down in and feed the compost too. So all I got is some pallets that I got from work and some scrap lumber left over from the greenhouse build. And I'm going to start some screws here. Alright, we'll get another pallet. And there you have it, a practically free compost bin. All it cost me was the price of some screws, because it's all made of scrap lumber and old pallets. So y'all have a great day and grow something for your family.
Alright, if you like that video, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. We also are on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. And we also have a Facebook group where you can post your own pictures and also make comments and help other people grow something for your family.